subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new smartphone under S series in the UK called Galaxy S21 FE with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy S21 FE features a 6.4-inch Full HD plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victors. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset or Exynos 2100 chipset in some other regions. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. In terms of camera, the Galaxy S21 FE supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 12MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture plus another 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 123° field of view and a 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery with 25 watts wired and 15 watts wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 12 based on One UI 4 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 155.7 by 74.5 by 7.9mm, and it weighs around 177 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy S21 FE price has been set in the UK for 128GB storage variant at £699 British pounds, while the 256GB storage option is priced at £749 British pounds. The smartphone is now offered pre-orders in the country in graphite, olive, lavender and white color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy S21 FE 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.